Okay, back. Okay, guys, we're back. Had a little bit of issue that was in it. Okay. See this now? What I pretend it is a rocket launcher. Pretty cool. So yeah. Next, here. This is not mine. This is actually my sister's. It's like on the other book of 3. Now I got boom, boom. I think it's one of the snipers. I go reroll, like the signal, aim fast. Oh yeah, my name is Drop the Tar. So if you again, my name is Drop the Tar. So if you wanna, sorry, this is my line. So if you wanna be my friend, you can. I'll accept everybody's. So I might be your friend with, but some I might ask you. If that's what I have to. Some of you guys I might ask. If it's you, I might ask you if you can be my friend. I've dropped it hard 30, 90, 30. Okay. Keep on saying 30, 30. Yep, I got that. I was waiting for that. Now we're on to the talking ones. You guys might all know this, the rival. So I'm gonna have to show you. Do you guys see that wall? No. Do you guys see that wall right there? Won't you? Don't judge me if you see upside down show. I haven't watched it since I was like a long time. Okay, so are you guys okay? I'm gonna have to watch that. Okay, I don't know what happened. It's Kevin Don though. Back up, boy. Back up. Oh, where is it? Do you guys kick me? Good. I'm sprained. Okay. So next, Mega Bell. So yeah, I'm gonna be right back because I'm gonna set up the lines and I'll be right back. Okay guys, here is all my stepbrothers, my brothers, and mine. Here is, well, I didn't tell the names, but you might have seen them all. They all do stuff, and they're all fun. I have Musically. Don't watch me, because I'm absolutely just like, how much shirt off? disgusting, okay? That's not me. Yes, it is. Go take. So I'm acting weird. My voice and stuff is acting weird. So I don't know. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Also, I wanted to ask you guys if we can get like 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, whatever. You guys can choose. I don't know. But, yeah, you guys, can, do thumbs up, thumbs down, because it's, not okay. I'm actually hyper, but today I'm not. And, I just had a great day. So, if you leave a like, I'll be happy. If you put a thumbs down, you know what you'll get. Boy, no, I'm just joking. I won't do nothing. It's up to you. I don't care. You might be boys. On my last episode, I think there was a boy. So I was ready. And it was my old phone. So then, I went to bed, and then all of a sudden when I woke up, it disappeared. Like I was sitting, I had my hand right on it, nothing. Sleeping, next day, gone. I don't know. So I got this new phone, and then it was messed up because I didn't have typing, and it broke, and I couldn't do nothing. It was just like a messed up phone. Now I have this phone. A lot more better, a lot more funner. So cool. Oh, and just so you know, I love the diamond minecart, but what is a diamond minecart? It can't have the ride on. A diamond minecart can't go on a regular rail. It has to go on a diamond rail or coaster. So I'm calling my name Diamond Coaster. Nancy, if you like that, I'll be happy. Also, I subscribe to you. You're the best. I love you. Bye.